You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi guys, it's Melody Lane, and today I'm going to show you the cutaway cards. These are brand new from Cricut. In the pack, you get 8 envelopes, 8 cards that have adhesive on the inside, and 8 backings to go with your 8 cards and envelopes. Here's another one. These are fun. So 8 cards. Have a few different color choices, 8 envelopes, and 8 backings. They do have more sets like this. Aren't they pretty? I love the backings. Now these backings work specifically with the adhesive on the inside of these cards. So you do need to use these, have the adhesive, and you have to use it with this backing. It's a special adhesive, special backing to work together. The difference of these cards and the insert cards is you can have the middles. With the insert cards, you need to have more of a stencil type font, and it would not hold the centers. Those would fall right out of your card. And notice there's no slits in the corners. So here's an insert card, and we have to have slits in all the corners. So in this video, I'm going to be cutting out a different card, and you will see it completely cut, and I weed it. You do have to weed these. And I also write on the inside of the card. So if you don't know how to write on the inside of your cards with the Cricut Joy, keep watching as I do write on the inside of the next card. So pretty! Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to get our card. And there's where the adhesive is. And we're going to get our backing. I like this pretty gold one. You can mix and match, just like I'm doing. We're going to take the cover off the adhesive. And put the backing on. Make sure you put the backing pretty side down. You have to flip it over. And then center it over the adhesive. And then we're going to put it in the card mat. Make sure you take that plastic off the card mat, and then you slip this underneath that top piece of plastic, and then press that down and make sure it's down good. And then we're going to use the setting cutaway cards. So we're going to put this in. And we're going to hit go, and there it started. This is 4 times the speed. The Joy doesn't cut quite this fast. And there it is. Now we have to click unload. You can see the cutouts. Now we take this off, and now we're going to do the inside of the card. So we're going to flip it over and put the front of the card underneath the plastic. And don't hold down the plastic like I was just doing there. You can't get the card in when you're holding it down. press that down, and then we're just going to click medium cardstock. It says load the silver pen, so we have to go back and load the pen into our Cricut Joy. And then load our mat again for the second mat. It's the second mat in Design Space. And hit go. And it's going to start writing. As soon as these cards are available, I will have a link in the description if it's not there already. I love how the silver metallic Joy pen looks on that dark blue cardstock. The Joy did this beautifully. And click unload. There we go. Now we have the front and the inside. Now we just need to weed the front. Put our blade back in and close up our Joy. Okay, now it's time to grab a weeding tool and start weeding. This is sped up just a little bit, so you don't have to sit and watch me weed everything. Make sure you guys leave a comment below the video. Tell me what you think of these cards. I think they're great, but let me know what you think. If you have a Cricut Joy, are you going to buy some of these cards? This is just a card I designed in Design Space. That gnome image is in Design Space. And then I added text. This gnome beard was very intricate and a little bit harder to weed, so I wouldn't do something too intricate. Any more intricate than what the beard is. It has lots of little slices and little pieces. These are my first two cards I have made from the Cutaway Cards. I think it turned out well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.